if I asked you to work this out, you'd know just what to do. But you couldn't work this out. However, if I told you what the value of x was, 10 for example, hopefully you'd be able to work it out now. Following this instruction, we'd multiply our value of 10 by 2 and then add 5, giving us the answer of 25. This is simply a rule that you're asked to follow. Once you know what x is, first multiply by 2 and then add 5. What about this rule? If we knew the value of x, what should we do? First multiply by 4 and then subtract 5. Here's a different one. If we knew the value of b, what should we do here? Well, first divide by 4 and then add 10. So let's see how this helps us solve an equation. First, we're only worried about the side with the unknown value. So we'll forget about the right-hand side for the moment. Now, if you knew the value of x, what is this rule telling us to do? It's asking us to multiply by 2 and then add 5. Now this is the important bit. Underneath we write down the inverse or opposite. The inverse of plus 5 is minus 5 and the inverse of times 2 is divided by 2. And I'll put this arrow here to remind me where I'm starting from. Now we'll think about the other side of the equation and carry out these instructions. 15 take away 5. Gives us 10, and then the 10 divided by the 2 gives us 5, and that's our answer. Again, I'm only interested in the side with the unknown value, so I'll forget about this for the moment. If I knew the value of b, what is this rule telling me to do? First, divide by 4, and then add 10. Underneath, I'll write the inverse. And again, I'll put this arrow in to remind me where I'm going to start from. Now I'll look at the other side of the equation and carry out these instructions, starting from the arrow. 13 minus 10 gives me 3. 3 times 4 is 12. And that's my answer. And as always, if you found this video useful, please give it a like.